once in a subdivision, and then all of a sudden we get trapped into woods. Follow me. My stupid camera crew, get over here.
Coming.
Get a closer look. Now, if you can see, this is very good cartilage that we could use for fishing or other tying. As you can see, you can break it apart. And just like this, and it's perfect rope. Too bad I don't need it. Ouch! Thorns! Let's go the other way. Thorns! Let's go back where we came from. Now, I'm going to go. Yeah. I'm going to go.
Wait. Before you go. Do I have to follow you?
No.
Okay, good.
I'm going to try to get a higher look. Oh! Danger. I've got, oh no! Do we still have that harness? I mean, are we still filming?
Yes, oh, wait, 1 second! I guess I'll follow you. You know, this is very dangerous!
Your face is very dangerous.
That was a nice one! Good job! Why'd you tell me to wear slides in the middle of winter?
I don't know. It was your choice.
True.
Right. So I can see a field out here. In a couple of houses.
I'm falling!
You don't need to follow me, you bloody wanker.
Ah!
So, we should head,
Anytime now.
Nigel, check your phone. What direction is north?
1 second. It's, alright, 1 second. It's that way.
We must go this way, according to the sun and where it is in the position of the sky. Now, I'm going to attempt something that whoever is lost out here should never attempt. I'm going to attempt to jump. Alright, here we go. It's very dangerous. Never do this. But since I'm on a TV show and I get paid to do this, I might as well.
Watch out for that stick. It almost just went up your butt.
I'm an expert survivalist. Wink, wink. I'm going to die. Oh! Crap! Alright.
I fell in a hole.
Alright. Don't worry.
Go ahead.
I'm an expert.
Jump down.
Oh, it's scary.
It's only 2 feet. Come on.
Alright.
Alright.
Well, as I said when I was up there, we should travel this way.
Alright, I'll just go around, I guess. Well, what are you doing?
Right.
We have to travel
That's
more.
enough walking for today. We should get some rest. Luckily, I stopped right near this tree. That is famous for its curled twigs that we can use. And as you can see, inside the middle, once you break it, it's very moist. So,
is that good?
You want to try it?
Sure.
No.
This is actually pretty good.
We must get some sleep.
Hey, remember what your mom said about those pants?
You shut up. Alright, so.
Don't worry, I'll just go around to the trail.
Alright.
You just
Shut up.
you-
About the trail. So, I've been traveling through here all morning for about 2 hours. And I finally hit a trail. I hit a very good trail. And this looks like it's a good twig for fishing. I think I see a river up here. So let's go see if we can find any fish. collected water. Now, you can't just drink this water.
Should I get closer?
No.
No.
Stay right there.
Alright.
Very dangerous to do what I'm doing. Now, the secret is, all you have to do is wait for a fish or frog to swim by. Not make any sudden movements. And then strike. Oh. Now, my hand is wet. It's almost really wet. I had to jump and get that fish. And hypothermia can strike soon when you're all wet.
There's a okay.
Look, I found a trail. Oh, here. A delicacy. It's what the natives call blue bloobs. Now, you gotta look for the reddish ones. This one is you don't want to eat. Right here. Pick off the stem and then dig in. Now, my hand is wet and I'm feeling like I'm going to get hypothermia. Oh, follow me. You never want to follow a trail because it might lead to civilization, and civilization means food, and food means dangerous animals, and we're not going to go that route. Follow me.
Bear?
Huh?
I'm not sure.
Just give me the camera.
Alright, take it.
Alright. Now, the most crucial thing you need to know about... Oh, shut up! Alright. Well... Hey, give the camera back to the cameraman! No, I need to do something! He hits his face. My cameraman is kind of a wimp, so would you shut up for a second? Hey! Looks like there used to be a small shack here. And look, it looks like a paved trail. What's that? It looks like a docking area. I need to go find it quickly, see if there's civilization. Oh my god, it looks like an abandoned campsite. Looks like I should sit down and enjoy the scenery. So I had to leave that campsite because a mother coyote had cubs and I wasn't going to sleep in that filthy, disgusting smelling native habitat. Now, if you'll just follow me up ahead, we'll be alright.
Don't you think if we would stay at that clearing?
No, it's too dangerous. There could be poachers. No, if you could just keep up with me, because no one can, because I'm Bear Grylls. And this is... Ouch! I'm Bear Grylls, and I can withstand anything. Cut the camera off, it really hurts!
Alright.
There's no sign of civilization anywhere around here. So, like I said never to do is travel on a trail, because I said civilization means food, and food means dangerous animals. So, if you just follow me, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Oh, hold on, get down. Right up there in that tree, we've got a rabid raccoon. This is what I was saying about dangerous animals. But it's the only chance I have of eating food because I haven't eaten in 3 days. I got my twig and it's over there. I'm going to attempt it. Here, Phil, hold my jacket. Thank you. All right, stay here. I'm going to try to kill it. Oh, even better. A bigger twig. Stay here. This could get dangerous.
Is it safe?
It was ice.
Alright, here I
It
come.
wasn't a raccoon.
Here's your jacket.
Ah. Oh, look. Perfect. It's a smoked cigarette. That means we must be getting close to civilization. Follow me. What's that? I hear a car.
I think that's a school bus.